Oh yeah.
What's up, y'all? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Yeah, today I'm gonna be doing something pretty cool. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have probably known this maybe about a week or so ago. Maybe like a week or so ago. I got another sponsor to my car. Sickspeed. I'll leave their description, their website and everything down in the bottom. They specialize in a lot of parts and aftermarket parts and a variety of things. Lug nuts for your wheels, just a random assortment of stuff. Seats, which I'm hoping because there's tiers. I'm hoping I can get to that level, and I would love Sickspeed. If you're watching, I would love some new seats, because boy oh boy, I need them. So they sent me in a care package today. I just got it in the mail, and I'm gonna open it with you guys. So that's kind of like what this video is gonna be about. So they sent me the package. Let's crack it open and see what they sent me. And whatever it is, I'll just start installing on the car right now. So let's do it. All right, we got this. So let me just I'm gonna try to see if I can do this with one hand. Switch hands. All right, let's see what we got here. Big, huge shout out for Sickspeed, taking me on to the sponsorship. I really appreciate that. Really do. We have this. We'll crack that open in a minute. Oh yeah, I seen these are this is supposed to be like a cozy that goes around the intake tube, the Z tube. I'm gonna probably put that on. Yeah. Let's open this. What's this? Let's check this out. Oh, okay. This goes over the actual intake. It's a water resistant. So like, let's say if you have a low intake, which hint, I will be getting another intake, because that short ram gotta go. Like, they ain't doing nothing in the car besides putting hot air into the engine. So I'm definitely getting another cold air intake. But yeah, this is nice quality too, man. This is like all rubber right here, and yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna put this nice one on the intake I got there now, but I'll do a test fit, see how it looks. You already know, ladies. And we have a lanyard. Nice high quality lanyard too. Gotta have that. Gotta have it smell good. Got the Sickspeed license plate cover and some stickers. Oh man, this is nice. This is not anything that has like oil slick. I'm with it. Like, I love oil slick stickers. I love that. So that's definitely going on the car. And I think that's it. Nothing else. Yeah, that's it. All right. So let's get to start putting this stuff on the car. I want to put on the license plate cover because I've been wanting to take that old one off. And as part of the prerequisite with Sickspeed, you got to kind of have some representation on your car for Sickspeed. And this is some cool stuff, and I have zero problems putting this stuff on my car. So let's get it started. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting on the license plate cover. I'm gonna pop the engine, probably reverse the car a little more so it can get a little bit of room to put the cozy on, and may even put this on too, just to kind of test fit and see how it looks. So let's go. Oh, I actually forgot. I put this out, but I didn't even open up the box on this. Let me just crack this open really quick for you guys. It really sucks being a YouTuber, having to hold this camera and do stuff. Crazy. All right. Let's see. By the way, I'm right next to a fan. I hope the fan ain't bothering you guys. I just hear like a humming or something. That's the fan. Oh man, that's nice. Yeah, this is definitely going in the car. All right. I got a little thing with this. I'll show you guys. Just give me a second. I actually pretty excited about this. Some may like it, some may not, but license plate cover off. I got this one from, I mean, we all kind of been, if you're a car guy, man, you kind of been guilty of this if you know about these little giveaways that they do. And this is like the 8080 license plate. This is one of my, I think this is one of my first things I bought from 8080 actually. But it's used up this time. God, this sucks having to do this with one hand. License plate is off. License plate is dirty. All right, so this is going to be just kind of left off to the side. All right. Jesus, that is. All right. I gotta clean this off. I can't throw this back on like this. My OCD won't allow it. All right, let's do this. All right. See this degreaser. That's like super stained. That's as best I'm probably gonna get it. All right, let's start it back over. Put it aside over there. All right, I had to put the camera down for 2 seconds. So got that 6-speed rep. All right. All right. I got a rag. I got a fresh rag. Let's see where we're gonna put this at though. Yeah, maybe. You know what? I've been meaning to kind of scrape these off, actually. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that, y'all. I need to take off this stock as fuck. Or this stock ASF. I gotta get a new Paul Walker sticker too, man. I need to just get new stuff. All right, so we're gonna scrape that off. That looks just nasty. Let's do it. So for this one, this was definitely a really good pickup for me. This is like the 300 millimeter rear view extension. It basically just clips onto your stock. You don't have to pull off anything. Like, it just was an extension, which allowed me to see, as you can see, way more than the stock. Look at that compared to that. Now, this one is, as you can see, maybe, this is the old one I have in my hand. This is the new one. The one from Sickspeed is just about the same size. At least from what it sees, just about the same size. But the cool thing about this, let me see if I can get this clipped on with one hand. I'm not making any promises, actually. Let me go ahead and let me put it on before. I don't want to break anything trying to do it one hand. So let me just go ahead and do it. All right, y'all. That was a little bit of a scare because I really thought it wasn't gonna fit, because the G35 rear mirror is not like your standard go around type thing. It has like a dip. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna take this off to even try to show you guys that. It's because it has like a garage door settings on the The car, let me tell you something about the G35. The G35 is like next level. They tried a lot of things with this car. You know what I'm saying? They did a lot of changes. They tried new things. Hell, they have a card holder, for God's sake. That was in one of my videos, the 5 things I don't like about the car. Check that out. I put it somewhere there or somewhere. But yeah, finally got it on. I think it's stretched to its like limits with the rear view, and I'm liking it. It's not bad. But what's the dope thing about this? Hey, prepare for the people to be triggered right now, cause y'all gonna be triggered. Watch this. Boom. Peep the vibe. Come on, man. Hey, I'm waiting for somebody in the comments to just say all kinds of rice comments and all. But the good thing about it is, it takes 3 AAA batteries, by the way. Sickspeed has this, man. You can't say that this don't look dope. It comes in a bunch of different colors too. It doesn't come with like a button that presses. You have to pick the color that you want. I think they have blue, pink. I know I saw red, green. I could be off on a couple of the other colors, but I picked blue because I'm redoing my lights. Again, I'm gonna post another video here. I did the interior lights for the seat, the bottom seat, and blue lights with the blue headlights. Oh man, that's gonna be crazy. But yeah, it's on there finally. This I'll probably get this to my mom or somebody, because Lord knows they need it, especially my mom. I'll probably get it to my mom. It'll still work on her car, so I'll give it to her. But yeah, there you go. It's all done. Now let's go to the hood. Let's go to the engine. All right, now we at the engine. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the Z-tube. Again, it said it's supposed to lower the temperature. Don't know how much that would be, but I mean, it looks cool. Open up the engine and you see a nice little wrap on it. I think that'll work. Shit, I gotta take this off. Okay. 1 second. Short man, so I would say you didn't cook too much. Pretty sure this is a lot more useful with a long tube rather than something like this. Right there, most of it will fit. Hey, at the very least, it looked kind of cool, right? But again, like I tell you guys, I'm gonna be getting a whole new cold air intake system. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. So we'll see. Kind of don't even want to put it on right now on the Z-tube right here, because for obvious reasons. I don't want it to get all dirty and stuff, but hey, we'll see if it makes a difference. You guys tell me what you think. Like I say, it's probably not meant for this type of application, but it looks cool. All right, so for the next one, guys, this is the Sickspeed air intake hydro guard. I don't know if I want to put this on. This is one thing I'm not going to put on right now, only because this is a short ram intake. And I don't have issues with, water or anything kind of coming into the intake specifically. from the filter. So this is the application for this would definitely be for someone maybe running a actual cold air intake that goes straight down. You know what I mean? And that would be probably susceptible to actually getting rain, or let's say if there's a flood and you kind of going through the water, like then this would come in more handy because it actually repels water. So yeah, I'm not gonna put this on because this is a short air intake ram intake, and I'm not gonna, you know, mess up by putting this on there because it makes no sense. It's not in the elements like that. But when I do get my cold air intake, which I'm actually looking into an engine, yeah, I'm gonna be putting this. I'm gonna be taking this off, putting it on the new engine intake. I don't know if I'm gonna even be keeping this on this Z-tube because it just looks too cool to just keep on this Z-tube. Like it's yeah. But yeah, for this I'm not gonna install it, guys. I just know that it's, you know, it's like a cover that goes on your intake. It's to stop weather, rain, water, all that good stuff from going into your intake, which will cause crazy damage because if it sucks in water, because this, understand, your intake is there to suck in air into your plenum. You know what I mean? That's what basically gives you the ability to, you know, with your air fuel ratios and all that stuff. That's what the math's for, you know. But I don't want to put this on. So this is too cool to just put on this old crap. So I'm going to definitely get a new engine intake very soon, and then I'll put this on, and then I'll take that off and put that on the new thing. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Hey, I'm happy we got a new sponsor to the channel, so I'm extremely grateful. Hey, we got to just keep it going. We're gonna keep making videos, keep doing what we got to do. I'm gonna have Sickspeed's web URL at the bottom. You want to see some stuff, pick it up. You know, they got some cool stuff in there for just about any car. So pick something up, tell them State Driven Media sent you. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Again, be grateful. You know, sometimes we're going through still. We got a new president. Let's make this a good one now. Let's make this another good 4 years to get, you know, get some stuff going. Thank you guys also for liking and commenting on my videos. I'm getting a lot of positive feedback from everybody. So I'm really grateful for that. I really am grateful that all the work and the time and all the stuff that I'm doing on a weekly basis is coming, you know, full circle. I'm getting the actual appreciation and well wishes from everybody. So I really appreciate that, guys. With that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay driven. 1.